Guys, if you're traveling by train and bike in Japan, it's important to know the local etiquette, otherwise you might not get where you plan to be going.
Hi, I'm Mike and thanks for joining. Most Japanese commuters leave their bikes at their local train station where there's a great deal of parking facilities, and then they catch the train to work. But if you're like me and you have to take your bike with you, especially on the Shinkansen bullet train, here are some important tips that you must follow if you want to stay out of trouble. First, you can't take your bike on the train without putting it in a bag. In Japan they call them Rinko bags, and depending on the size of your bike, you may have to dismantle it first. Well, at least the front wheel. Now I know what you're thinking, what a pain in the ass that is, but by placing your bike fully into a bag, you avoid coming into contact with the other commuters and getting their clothes dirty by the oily parts of the bike, like the chain for example.
Now you can get Rinko bags online or from any Japanese cyclist shop.
Prices range from 2,000 yen or $20 all the way up to 100,000 yen or $100 for some of the more expensive types. My second bike commuting tip is board at the front or the rear of the train. Because if you don't, you'll have to end up moving your bike anyway for passengers that want to move between carriages, and the ends of the train are normally less crowded. On the other hand, if you're travelling on the Shinkansen, there's a nice little place behind the last row of seats in every carriage. You can place your bike here without affecting anyone. Even this ticket inspector didn't even notice. But get in early because these spots will disappear fast, with other passengers wanting to place their own large luggage items here also.
Now my third bike commuting tip is about protecting your bike itself.
Chances are your bike's going to pick up a few scratches along the way as the pieces rub up against each other. So it's a good idea to use tension straps to attach the front wheel tightly to the frame so it doesn't move freely. My Rinko bag came with straps with plastic buckle clips and strap adjusters. Now I've heard of people using black plastic garbage bags and clothes pegs as their Rinko bag, but if you don't make any effort at all, you won't get past these guys here. Now my last tip would be to sit back, relax and enjoy the ride, knowing that your bike is safely out of everyone's way.